Brigadier, can you stand there and read that document right up to where you say there is a link between accused number 3 and Ms. Kelly Khumalo?
The entire document?
Yeah, because I don't want us to be told that I'm colluding with you. Just read it from where it starts up to the place where you find it. Stand next to the screen there.
All right, my lord. So the statement reads as follows: Lambertus Steyn declares under oath. I, number 040361 there's a personal number, my lord, I'll leave it. Am a colonel in the South African Police Service and in service of the state. I am attached to the National Cold Case Investigation Unit based in Pretoria, National Head Office, and acted as an analyst and investigation officer. I have been attached my current position since 2021, but before to the Priority Crime Management Center, open bracket PCMC DPCI, close bracket, since 2009 as an analyst. I have up to date analyzed in excess of about 2,000 cases. As part of my duties, I am required to analysis information obtained from cellular phones, namely incoming and outgoing calls, phone contacts, and SMSs, after the information was retrieved by the DPCI phone downloaders. Also, I received cell phone information from investigation officers about the phone data which been received from the service providers. I combine the phone downloads and the information from the service providers to provide a court-ready analysis picture. As part of my daily task, I testify on regular basis in courts in South Africa. I've successfully completed the analyst notebook course during 1999 and received in-service training. I have knowledge of XRY program and MS Office. I've successfully completed the following courses: BTEC Policing in UNISA, open bracket, Kamlode. I don't know how to pronounce it properly, my lord. I want to say it wrong. Analyst notebook V4 1999 by Visual Analysis, Gasfontein. iBridge User 1 course 2002 by Visual Analysis, Gasfontein. iBridge User V1 Analysis Notebook V6 Upgrade course 2003 by Visual Analysis, Gasfontein. I2 Analysis Notebook V2 Update 2008 by Investigative Software Solutions, Ferry Glen, Pretoria. I2 Analysis Notebook V7 Upgrade 2009 by Investigative Software Solutions, Ferry Glen, Pretoria. I2 Tech Chart and Chart Explorer, and IXA 2009 by Investigative Software Solutions, Ferry Glen, Pretoria. I2 Analysis Notebook V8 Update 2009, Investigative Solutions, Ferry Glen, Pretoria. I2 Analysis Notebook V9 Upgrade 2017 by Investigative Solutions, Ferry Glen, Pretoria. Analysis Investigation Methods 2014 by Investigative Solutions, Ferry Glen, Pretoria. Crime Information Management and Analysis course, Design Skill Development Workshop for Crime Intelligence, Financial Authorized Officer, Authorized LVA Operator, open bracket level 1, close bracket, my lord. Intelligence Analysis, open bracket, ANECPA Science, close bracket, INC, close bracket. Inkwazi Systems, Research Methodology course, I-based Circulation System, Crime Detection Management course, open bracket, National Intelligence Module, Risk Assessment Techniques, SWOP, Pestello, Crime Pattern Analysis and Problem Solving module, close bracket. Financial Intelligence course, WinDIT, open bracket, information system, close bracket, resolving of crime, skill program 5A, my lord, basic spatial analysis, open bracket, TomTom, close bracket, crime intelligence course, advanced cross fundamental analysis, paragraph 3, in order for the analyst notebook program to read information correctly, certain information must be edited. For example, analyst notebook does not recognize zeros as the beginning of a number. So all zeros that is removed, open bracket 078-676-2445 is converted to 78-676-2445, and then 227-78676-2445, close bracket. The 27 being added allow the A and B program to link the international numbers. All common numbers is removed. That will give false link with another phone. Open bracket 100,1011,121, close bracket. All dialing prefixes are removed. Open bracket plus S, 1 S, etc. Close bracket. The conversion of the data does not involve the manipulation of the data. I then use the analyst notebook program to draw an analysis notebook chart of the information. I also place all the cell phone data information which was received from the service provider on one combined Excel spreadsheet for code purposes. I hand in as part of my statement a copies of the different charts. The chart shows associates of data received and messages on cell phone downloads. On 9 April 2020 at about 10:00, I received a CD section 205 of cell phone downloads from the investigation officer Brigadier Kininda with information about the following targets. 1, Kelly Khumalo. During the analysis, I identified the following numbers which belongs to Kelly Khumalo. There's an ID number mentioned them a lot, which I cannot prove via links with family, friends, XDS, open bracket, expect, decision systems, central database, reference, police, crime administration system, e-notice, and Truecaller, which I can prove, sorry, not that I cannot, which I can prove via links, my lord. So then it says contact numbers, then it says bureau update, the date is 2018-0501, then it says home, the number is 011-883-1, there's a number there, my lord, maybe let me not go to it. And then the next date is 2017-0503, cellular phone, it's highlighted, but there's a cell phone number there, my lord. The next date is 2017-0408, another cell phone number, also highlighted in red. Then there's 2017-0328. It's work. There's a number there also mentioned them a lot. It's a landline. 2015-0228. It's a cellular phone. It's listed there. It's one of the cell phones of Ms. Khumalo. It's been placed on record. This one I can read on record, my lord. It's 072-9380-2498. That is the runaway phone, so it's already on record. Then it's 2015-01. 2015-0121, looks like it's 21. Then it says home, my lord. The number is listed. Then 2012-0827, it's a cellular phone. It's highlighted in red, my lord. Then there's 2011, October the 19th, another cell phone highlighted in green. Yes. Let me just see. Yeah, I think this one, my lord, it's her second number. I can place it on record because it's on record. The 082 number 7044358 belongs to Miss Kelly Khumalo. The other one, then it's 011 October the 19th. It's work. There's a number. 0110913 also work. There's a landline number, my lord. And then 2009 0121. There's a home number. It's also listed. Then it carries on reading, my lord. The following extraction out of XDS to trace the following numbers of Kelly Khumalo: 2779494 8773 2008 of May 07. Users contact number as per Rosebank case 1 of June 2007 theft general victim. The number again 27733888670 2017 0503. Another number 27614562104 date 2017 0408. And then another number 27118831447 2017 0328. Another number, my lord, 27729382498 date 2015 0128. Then there's also a landline, my lord, 27114131179 2015 0128. Then 27734511501 2002 0827. Then 27827444358 2011 October the 19th. Users contact number SP Honeydew 1073 of 10/2011. Assault common victim. Sorry, just go back there. My apologies, yes, my lord. Used as contact number SP Honeydew case 1075 of October 2011. Assault common victim. Used as contact number SP Douglas Dale 65 of December 12, meaning 2009 intimidation victim. Then there's 2711431179 2011 0913. That's the date, my lord. Then 276145622104 276145622104 Nonhlanhla Kelly Khumalo XDS 2017, also on Posh registration papers Kelly Khumalo 27614562104. Truecaller app 27614562104. Noni K open brackets Kelly Khumalo bookings close bracket. Then it says check Rika information. Following links to this number is babe 27814839880 Silo Twala open bracket Truecaller Silo Chico Twala close bracket 27785028113 Sibia open bracket Truecaller General Sibia secret close bracket 277270888175 Silo Twala at Chico open bracket Sebastian Hill open bracket again Chico Twala close bracket 27746766669 Zandi Khumalo Truecaller Zandi Khumalo close bracket 27737929962 Truecaller open bracket Truecaller Zandi Khumalo in close bracket. Then it's 27839687782 Precious and Mampri, looks like Mampri my lord, open bracket Truecaller Precious Tlau close bracket. Tumelo Owen Kujane 27735088099 open bracket, Truecaller, Tumelo Kujane, close bracket. The friend of Kelly before and after the murder. Number is still in use by Kelly because common links as follows. Common links between all the numbers, musical linkages to prove the following are tasked. Section 205, links, play Kelly, date 2021-01-19. So the links, I think you have to make them broader. Like, say, if, my lord, if they can just make the links broader for me to read the numbers on top. Yeah, on the spider web. No, it's not clear. I can see it's Kelly Khumalo, but the numbers are not visible. The first one.
Is that a chart of Kelly Khumalo's numbers?
Yes.
They were communicating with.
Yes, my lord.
Other
But
persons.
indeed, my lord. But the one that is relevant to this exercise is on page 41.
Yeah, fine.
Yes.
Now you can go to page 41 now because
Yes.
there's insinuation that this document may be forged.
Yes.
After what you have read, I'm satisfied that that document is the same one I listened to in August last year.
Yes.
So you can go to page 41.
Yes, my lord.
You have
All right.
substitute. In my view, I was excoriated that I'm descending into the arena. I'm colluding with the state, in other words.
Now,
There's no document like that.
now page 41, my lord.
Yeah,
and
just
this-
go to page 41.
Yes.
Let's see.
Yes, we are here, my lord. And it says links between target. On top, my lord. And this is the briefing, like I said, I was briefed by Kenneth Stein, and this is what he showed me. So links between target. On top, it's Kelly Khumalo. The number is 278270444358. The next person, it's 277333059202. The name that is linked there, my lord, is Fiso Kuhle Ntuli Etinkani. There's an ID number mentioned there, 8601105612086. Then underneath that is still the number 277333059202. Name Fisokuhle Nkani Sifiso Ntuli, suspect. Then on the right, I'll move straight to the right, my lord, is Mtobisi Gala Mngube. Number 277276681169. Then Cleveland Cass 9622015 as Carlos. If you go underneath it, let me just deal with it, my lord. Underneath it again is still 277276681169. Mtobisi Prince Mngube at Carlos. Underneath it again, my lord. So yeah, that's the second one. Then if you go to the right, my lord, it's Mfana Khumalo at the name save as Carlos phone. The number is 2772399587, and then the other number is 277239955787. Fisokuhle Nkani Sifiso Ntuli, suspect. Then underneath that, my lord, it's let me deal with this other way. Then if you go to your left, my lord, then it's still Fisokuhle Ntuli at Nkani. The number is 2776973576. Further up on the left, still again, my lord, it's number 277248200045. The name is Muzika Ukulelwa Sitemba Sibia at Muzi, that NDO, and then it says section 205. Then going down, my lord, still it's so and after the first, the direct line from the top, my lord, it's Nkani at 2766427007. Fisokuhle Ntuli at Nkani. And then underneath that, my lord, it's also 27766427000. Fisokuhle Nkani. Sifiso Ntuli, suspect. Then there underneath, my lord, on the left, maybe let me just go straight down with the line, my lord. It's still Sifiso Ntuli, Etinkani, 2771-302-9173. And then it says Reggie. Then to the left is Pumlani Regime Charlie, 277303373771. Then towards the right, my lord, it's September Sibia at Muzi. The number there, my lord, is 27793179. No, so it's 277937900137. Then lastly on the right, my lord, it's Bongane Sandison Tanzi. Then it's 17609016890. Underneath that also 278090168990 section 205. So that is the chart, my lord. So when I was saying there's a link, I was referring to this. And what is proper, my lord, to put the proper context, because I want to put this into proper context, because I do not know whether advocate is misunderstood or I don't know, because I tried to explain this concept that at no stage I said there was a communication, and I moved as a misunderstanding, because when we go to these issues of the links, my lord, it was arising from the cross-examination by Mr. Ramsipi, who took me to my statement A227, and he was taking me through each and everything that I wrote, my lord. Now, this issue of the link came as a result of this paragraph in page 3.6 of my statement. Mr. Ramsipi placed it on record, and he read it, it was on place on record, where it says, investigation further revealed that she is linked, and that is now Ms. Kelly Khumalo, she is linked to the actual perpetrators of this murder by means of cell phone linkages. I never said communication, linkages. These linkages connect her to accused 3 and 4. 3 and 5, beg your pardon, my lord, 3 and 5. Now, out of this, Mr. Ramsipi then asked, what are the links that links accused number 3 to Ms. Kelly Khumalo? I then explained that the first link that I'm aware of is the common see-through bag between herself and accused 3 and subsequently Mr. Longo Khumalo. But then I said there is another link that I'm aware that Kenneth Stein briefed me on. When I was asked what is it in context, I said I'm not expecting that regard, and I will not go except that there is a link, and this is a link I was referring to. So the assertion that I said there was a communication, I don't think that's accurate, my lord.
Bengikhuluma ngalokhu ke konke lamanamba esengwafundileke lana ukusuka phezulu ke uKelly Khumalo nokuthi wobani ayexhumana nabo amagama abhaliwe kanye futhi ke namanamba abhaliwe. Manje ke konke lokhu ubuye kumbuzo ebenguhlonywa uyena ke uMr. Ramusipile kwiviki eliphelile uma engibuza ke ngestatement sami ku3.6 ukuthi ke la afunde khona ke ukuthi uphenyo ke lwaseluveza ke ukuthi uyahlanganiswa ke nabo abenzi baso lesigameko lesi isigameko sokubulala ngokuthi ke kukhona ukuhlanganisa ngomakhalekhukhwini futhi ke lokhu kumxhumanisa nomsola wesithathu kanye futhi nowesihlanu. Angaze ngisho ukuthi kwakhona ukukhuluma ngathi nje ngatshelwa uyena ke uKenneth Stein ukuthi kwakhona nje ukuhlanganisa, hayi ukuthi kwaba khona ukuxhumana noma kwaba khona ukukhulumisana phakathi kwabo. Bengikhuluma ngakho ke lokhu.
And lastly, my lord, what I will request, as we'll be embarking obviously in the cross-examination with Advocate Mnisi, is that we treat each other with a cordial respect. When Advocate Mnisi speaks, I do not interject. So I took exception as and when I was asked a question by the court to respond to. And then there was an interjection, and at some stage Mr. Mnisi said, answer the court. I view that as a sign of disrespect, and I've not given, I've said that before, my lord, I've not given any indication of disrespect to Advocate Mnisi, and I'm requesting that we maintain the decorum of this court, because if I go to that level where it's dragging me, my lord, too, there will be no respect. So I'm asking with greatest respect, my lord, that we maintain the respect to each other. He can pose questions, he will get all the answers that he needs, but with respect, which is cordial. What I give to him, I expect the same in return, my lord.
Ngizocela ke nanjengoba sizoqhubeka ke naye uAdvocate Mnisi ukuthi ke ezohloma imibuzo, ngizomphendula ke yonke imibuzo ke, kodwa ke ngizocela ukuthi sibe nako ke ukuhloniphana ngoba ke kunala khona ke eyatshengisa khona ke ungahloniphi uma bengiphendula yona ke inkantolo ngendlela akhulume ngayo ngoma uma kuukuthi ke ngiye lapho ke angidonsela khona ke kuzogcina ke sekungekho ukuhloniphana.
Yes. Now this document, was it handed up as Exhibit Act 01, that affidavit of staying?
My Lord, from advocates, for Advocate Baloyin, what I've heard in court, yes, I'm being told it's been handed up. What I confirm, and that's what I've said then, and I still maintain that it was part of the docket and it was disclosed to the defense. Because when I was asked about this, it was in relation to the application I was making for this Kelly Khumalo. So I confirmed that it was disclosed to the defense because I knew, my Lord, that it was used in court.
Mina ke uma esho ke uadvocate Balo ukuthi ngempela ke i-document leli lidlulisiwe enkantolo base unikezwa ke inamba ukuthi ke exhibit 01 mina ke bengikhuluma ngalo ke ngathi ke bengibuza noma ke bengithula ubufakazi ngesicelo sami engasenza ngaye yena ke uMiss Kelly Khumalo.
Sorry, Mr. Baloyi, what time is it?
It's 3:21, my lord.
Yeah, okay, we can adjourn now. Mr. Nisi. The defense, all of it, because it appears nobody reads these records. Can you all go and read Exhibit 01? And all of you will be given an opportunity to cross-examine Brigadier Khumalo. Lest we accuse people of falsifying the documents like he's been accused. Let's all, I'm going to read it also. We read page, not page, the record of the 28th of July. That's evidence of Kenner's staying. Let's all read it tomorrow. Then we can ask any question you want to this witness because that's his evidence. That is basing that evidence on that document. Okay? Let's adjourn until tomorrow. Are you available tomorrow?
No. So I'm writing my Lord tomorrow. So tomorrow and Wednesday, I'm committed.
So you're not in. So you're coming back when?
I'm only available on Thursday.
Thursday.
Friday I'm also committed, and the next Monday with the studies, with the exams. So it's only Thursday after today. And then, yes, after today, then Monday I'm not available, but from Tuesday next week, I'm available until the end of term.
So, Mr. Baloyi and the defense, how do you say you must tackle this?
Well, my lord, there are two suggestions. The one suggestion is that we resume on Thursday, just for one day, but the other suggestion is that we adjourn until week after next when Brigadier Gilinda would have finished with his exams so that we just continue without stopping. We discussed this, there was no agreement amongst my colleagues. Some favor the first suggestion that we sit on Thursday just for one day, then adjourn to the following week. The others feel that we should just today adjourn until the Tuesday after Brigadier Gilinda will have finished with his exams.
Now, I'm going to suggest let's sit on Thursday. You're available on Thursday?
Yes, I'm available.
Tomorrow is what, Tuesday?
It's Tuesday.
You're not available. You're writing exams.
So tomorrow is a start, it's a preparation for the exams.
Yeah, for the exams. So it's Tuesday, Wednesday. You're not available.
I'm not available.
Thursday?
I am available.
Yeah, okay. We'll adjourn until Thursday. Okay.
As a conclusion, Thursday will be the 21st.
Yeah. November.
Yes.
Okay. Right. Thursday. Right.